Natural particles in water have negative charges that repel other material and thereby keep it in suspension. In coagulation, positively charged chemicals are added to neutralize or destabilize these charges and allow the particles to accumulate and be removed by physical processes such as sedimentation or filtration. Commonly used coagulants include aluminum and iron salts and cationic polymers. Flocculation, the water treatment process following coagulation that uses gentle stirring to bring suspended particles together so they will form larger, more separate clumps called floc. Sedimentation, a treatment process using gravity to remove suspended particles. Filtration, the removal of suspended materials in a fluid stream by passage of the fluid through a filter medium. To summarize, coagulation and flocculation agglomerate turbidity into larger, heavier particles that can then more easily be removed by sedimentation and clarification before filtration. Filtration is typically accomplished using rapid sand or mixed media filters, but slow sand filters are still in use in some areas. Likewise, newer technologies, including different types of membrane filtration, are also available to utilities. For the purpose of this program, conventional coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation, and filtration processes are illustrated for the removal of particulate matter from turbid waters. The particles that cause turbidity consist mostly of non-settlable solids. These particles typically do not settle out of water because of two factors: particle size and the natural repelling forces between particles.